would you like to tell other people about the retreat?
That if you want to go and spend time with other artists and have painting time all to yourself because there is no instruction, this is the place to be.
Excellent. And tell us a little bit about your painting.
This painting is a vista, and I just take a small little portion of what is out there, and it is a oil on linen canvas.
Looks lovely.
And so my process is extremely fast because I start on this neutral tone and I lead in with my darks and fill in some middle values, and boom, I've got
Cool.
a painting.
Thank you, Sherry.
You're welcome.
And I never paint in Italy. It is my first experience.
How do you like it?
I like it very much.
Oh,
Yes, I like green color of olive trees. I don't know which it is color. It is breeze. Each moment it change.
I do a lot of work in my studio. I don't plein air paint a lot. So the top painting is just a quick study that I did earlier today. And then I'm doing actually the same vista of this afternoon to play around a little bit more and with the focal point and this distant villa.
Anyways, that's the Ponte Vecchio in the background, and a wonderful visit to Florence.
All the different places that we went. Seeing Tuscany in all different modes of light, because the afternoon light is so different from the morning light, and it's just stunning.